Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are taking good care of yourself. If today is the first time visiting my channel, Akwaba, which means welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my third meal prep, which is bean stew. But instead of doing a voice note in English, I'm going to try and do in Chi. Now this is going to be so funny because my Chi is about 50%. I believe in myself. I think it's 50% is good. But if you don't understand my Chi or do not speak Chi, don't worry, I'm going to put a subtitle underneath for you to understand the instructions. Before I started bean stew, we hear beans, tomatoes, onions, and oil. And on kwana here, so the number can want then una do back. Before I start to bean stew, so wash your home. So wash your home means some, yeah. Wash we are not in so 2000 ml go home. Now I didn't chini tablespoon back a go home. O powder in chini begum, o pound French no beans, but my advice is French no beans, and ma beans stew need to still yummy, okay? Best I tell you stew now, open here oil, jelly, and tomatoes, and some seasoning like garlic in it, nyoma, but no, maybe seasoning to your choice. Nti hase ni mede oil gumu oil ni yeshi na mede twitwa me jene gumu jene ne brown e kakra no na me te me tomatoes na me blend na mede tomatoes ne fry na me che, you know, to my enye thick kakra and me sonny me beans metro in a few seconds. Metro so the beans in it, then it's soft and then Rihanna Mrs. me di a gugum, but me beans beans ni gu efra me tomato sauce me tomatoes we na my a wish green the soup. I'm the mentioning me mekuni me seasoning bibia fry and one no we better say that's what just see stove so for like 5 minutes when I said 5 to 10 minutes on the medium heat depending on what you want. Yeah, yay, but maybe put me the and more plantain, everything basically. You can have this anything. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and watch out for the next meal.